Hi there everyone, it's time for an update of your midweek weather conditions, and all of South Africa is currently experiencing sunshine, allowing for warmer weather for the country, but it's especially warm in the west as berg winds are pushing the temperatures up near the Atlantic coastline. By Friday, a weak cold front will be making landfall over the Western Cape, cooling that province down as well as bringing a few drops of rainfall to the area. The satellite imagery shows that it remained clear overnight across the country, and for this reason we also had temperatures dipping below freezing for the usual areas, including much of the high felt across the high-lying areas in the Cape provinces, and it was also a very cold start to the day for some places in KwaZulu-Natal. Along the east coast, temperatures also dropped below 10 degrees Celsius, including for Durban and Richards Bay in the very early hours of this morning. For the rest of today, it remains sunny and warm for the rest of South Africa. I want to draw your attention to the low pressure system off the western coastline. Although it's weak, it is allowing for air to descend down that escarpment area, and as it moves down towards the coastline, it warms up quite a bit, and this is resulting in unseasonable warmth across those areas. We'll take a closer look at those temperatures in just a moment. But first, the rainfall probability map doesn't show any rain for today. Another dry afternoon expected for all of South Africa. Winds are going to be very light for the northern parts of the country today, averaging between 5 and 10 kilometers per hour. We will have a moderate northeasterly wind picking up between Durban and Port Elizabeth today, averaging at about 20 kilometers per hour. A quick look at the temperatures, and there we see shades of orange indicating very warm weather for most of South Africa. Milder through the central parts. Bloemfontein and Johannesburg get to a pleasant 23 degrees this afternoon, and a high of 20 has been forecast for Sutherland down in the south. Moving towards the western parts where we have the very warm weather for today, and the berg winds are pushing the temperatures into the low 30s for some areas including Alexander Bay and Vredendal. Cape Town, you reach a high of 28 degrees, and we're also expecting temperatures in the upper 20s all across the southern Karoo areas. That includes Oudtshoorn, Beaufort West, and even Graafrenet in the Eastern Cape. A look ahead to tomorrow, and it's going to be sunny and dry once again for all of South Africa. A bit of cloud moving in over the western parts. Cape Town already experiencing a drop in temperature, high of 22 degrees. And by Friday, the front moves through the Western Cape, cooling things down in that area. And over the peninsula, it's going to be cloudy, cold, as well as wet.